time. I need help believing you're with me tonight. My wildest dreamings could not foresee lying beside you with you wanting me. And just for this moment, as long as you're mine, I've lost no resistance and crossed some borderlines. And if it turns out it's over too fast, I'll make every last moment last, as long as you're mine.
Maybe I'm brainless, maybe I'm wise, but you've got me seeing through different eyes. Somehow I've fallen under your spell, and somehow I'm feeling it's all that I felt.
Every moment, as long as you're mine, I'll wake up my body and make up for lost time.
Say there's no future for us as a pair.
And though I may know I don't care, just for this moment, as long as you're mine, come be how you want to, and see how bright we shine. Borrow the moonlight until it is through. I know I'll be here holding you, as long as you're mine.
What is it?
It's just, for the first time, I feel